RAM module update on SSBT. Check the SSBT is actually working. Open the lower door. Open the upper door and power off the unit. Using the grey key, open the PC rear cover and undo the two retaining screws. Pull the handle down and slide the unit through. Attach your anti-static strap. Undo the screw holding the top cover on, slide off the cover. Inside we have 2 sticks of RAM. To withdraw the RAM, move the 2 clips back, pull out the RAM, note which way the slot is, and then remove the second stick. To refit RAM, slot in the same location. Carefully position the slot and gently push down. The 2 arms will automatically pop back in. Replace the top cover. Resecure. Release the anti-static strap. Refit the PC. Ensure that the handle interlocks correctly and lift the handle. Secure 2 screws. Lock the rear lid. Power on the unit. Close the top lid. Now the unit is fully booted. This unit takes slightly longer than a normal unit would, as this unit was built for a test unit with a standard hard drive, not an SSD. The unit is now fully operational and it's ready to carry on where you left off. Thank you.